What do you think was the hardest play of the game?
Well, I'll tell you, sister. We ran let's see, would have been like buff left, Fox, 36 counter, alert Oscar. 36 counter is a gap scheme play. We're the right guy. So I think that we were buff left. So I'm on the left off the ball. I think the Z is on the ball right next to me and Juice is on the outside. So it looks like a little bunch. At Fox means F's going across. Fox is going to cross over. And now we've kind of built like a 2x2 formation with Purdy under center, Christian in the backfield. We're running 36 counter, which is gap scheme. Everyone's blocking down. Left guard is pulling to the right to kick out, while Juice and the right tackle are kind of teamwork blocking. C-Train, the defensive tackle. I don't know if he was, I think he's probably a 4 technique right over the tackle. And they took him to the backside backer. The left guard is pulling to kick out the defensive end or the outside linebacker that's outside of Juice on the right side. And then I'm pulling from the left side outside of Trent, pulling, and I'm going to go in between Spence, who's the left guard, and Juice, who's blocking C-Train up, and I'm going to kick out the frontside linebacker or wash him out or log him out or block him. Well, when I turn the corner and he sees me and he's right there in the gap and I go to lower my shoulder, he gets super low and kind of puts his shoulder pads like just into my stomach, kind of gets me off my feet. Well, here comes Christian McCaffrey running Mach fucking 9, excuse my language, rucks me, I get hit, and then someone hits him from the side, so he gets fallen on. I fall straight down onto my face, completely flat, like I'm planking right here, like it's 2009. I'm planking.
Face down.
And
face down.
Face down.
Got
I'm
it.
face down into the dirt, into the turf, grass, not turf. And I'm sitting there face down, and body after body after body after body is on top of me. And I'm going to find a picture of this because I watched on tape, and there are 12 grown men on top of
Grown
me,
men.
and I'm at the bottom of the pile. And like sometimes I get, I'm not a huge fan of airplanes. I'm mildly claustrophobic. I don't know if that's possible, but like I don't really like small spaces. It's just not really for me. Get a little sweaty, not a huge fan. And I I go on a tangent, but yeah, anyways. So I'm at the bottom of this pile and no one's moving and it gets heavier and heavier. I'm just like, all right, this can be over now. Like, can we get, because I can't move at all. Like on my face, thank God I have a face mask. Otherwise,
right.
And I'm sitting there. I'm just like, come on, please get off of me. And it took like, it felt like a while. Probably like
minutes.
8 to 10 seconds. I would say it felt like it was like 30 seconds. It was probably like 10.
Yeah.
And I was just like, and people finally started to move. And when the last person got off me, I was just like,
did you like wiggle away really quick?
I laid there on the ground for like 5 seconds. I was like, that was horrible. Don't ever want to do that again. It was terrible.
It's a lot of large men.
Oh my.
It's a lot of large men.
There's a lot of people.
Collectively, that's like, it could be a couple thousand pounds.
Yeah, but it was funny because Christian, like, I don't know, it might have been after the game. He was like, hey man, that dog pile, like, I was right there with you. And I was like, yeah, except for you were on top of me. And he was like, yeah, but Vic's feeling better. Same. I was right next to you. I was like, yeah, it fucking sucked.